friends, and welcome to the den with me, the rather shaggy Red Island shaver. Yeah, really got to get this this mop cut. She's pretty ticked by. Actually, I think I'm going Friday. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go Friday and get this taken care of. This will be looking good. This here, well, whatever it is what it is. There ain't no fixing that. Anyway, moving on into the topic of today's shave. It is Stirling week, and we are going with, get that up there right, Stirling Gin and Tonic. Ooh, lovely scent on this one. Juniper berry, lemons, and limes. There you go. Pretty simple scent, but a very nice one. Now the sample puck is kind of old, so I'm hoping it really comes alive once I start lathering it, and I think it will. I think there's life in it. Going with my Spiffo. I was gonna go with the Spiffo Jackson, but it still smells like. It still smells like Khalifa. Not that that's a bad thing. Khalifa's a good soap. However, I think that is going to overpower the scent on this soap. It's just, I don't think pot is going to mix very well with juniper and lemon and lime. So, CoyoteCuts, Psychodelic Funk. This is a synthetic, no need to soak. Just dunk, rinse, and we load. There's a quick way to escape a potentially bad situation. After that mashup video that actually went really well, I don't think that mashup was gonna work. No, I don't think Black Afghano and Juniper Berry is in the same vein in lemons and limes. So anyway, hopefully everybody's having a great start to the week. It is Monday, or as I like to call it, Second Friday. As you guys know, I don't really have a whole lot going on, so I just try and treat every day like a Friday, and it seems to work pretty good. And yeah, I think we can build a face lather with that. What do you think, sports fans? We'll get that on the face, and we'll get into it. So yes, Stirling week for my brothers Nate and Mel over at BBS.Live. The idea was put to them with great insistence by Chris over at IAMCDB. Chris is a lover of Stirling, and he's been clamoring for a Stirling week. So here we are. So make sure you guys get your pictures of Stirling stuff up on the gram, and make sure that you do tag Real CDB and BBS.Live with your at Stirling week. And Chris had a great video yesterday to cap off Stirling week. He had I think he had 146 Stirling products in that shave. The only thing that would have made that shave more Stirling is if Rod and Mandy would have showed up in his house, sat him down in the kitchen in a barber chair, and give him a hot towel shave. I think that's the only way that video could have got more Stirling than it was. And of course, I say that with a great love and respect for Chris. I love the man like a brother. You guys know that. Chris knows that. So, no, I thought it was great. Chris really he really capped off Stirling week with some Stirling products, and that's great. I regrettably don't have any full-size Stirling stuff in the den. I thought I had a barbershop, but I think now, come to think of it, I may have piffed it out. And the only reason I piffed it out was because I have another barbershop scent in the den that smells very similar to Stirling. A very nice powdery barbershop. So I let the Stirling one go and kept the other one. And I just haven't been buying much soaps lately. I really haven't. That being said, this is one I would actually like to get a set of. And actually, I would probably like to get the the gin and tonic on the rocks, which is the mentholated version of this. So, you know, like their glacial line, just they call it gin and tonic on the rocks, because why wouldn't you? And so I would like to get that one. But as you can see, guys, I mean, I don't know. Stirling sometimes I think gets a bad rap. And I don't know why. Because it works fine. It's a great soap. It lathers easily. It smells good. It's got good performance. Like, I mean, what else do you need? And it's cheap compared to everything else. Like, seriously, it's a tallow-based soap with a lot of good stuff in it. You really can't go wrong with it. I don't know why they get a bad rap. I mean, just look at this lather. I mean, you guys seen that little sample size that's in the bowl. Look at the lather produced. There's no camera tricks here. It is what it is. I hide nothing. So, yeah, this could take even more water than this. But I mean, we're gonna be here for the duration of the evening latheriness if I don't stop. So, I think we'll go there. It's definitely hydrated enough for me. That is for sure. So the razor for today, I'm gonna go with a straight blade. Haven't used one of them in a while, so yeah, looking forward to that. And that is going to be the Red Point that was given to me by my brother from another mother, Magic Mike, up there in Toronto, Canada. So this has the magic edge, nice little 4/8 square point. He muted the tip for me. I'll put my little flashlight thingy on here and we'll go to work. See if I remember how to do this. It's been a while, been a minute. Nice. 2 days of growth that's cutting through no problem. Nice sharp smooth edge. Mike really took to the honing really quick, and he does put a fantastic edge on the razor. Doing an evening shave tonight. Something a little different. I was a little busy doing a supper prep, so didn't get my afternoon shave in today, so I figured I'll do it this evening. And spent a large portion of the day watching YouTube videos. I think every single YouTuber uploaded a video today. It was a really busy day on the tubes of you, so I still got a couple more to watch this evening. So I like to try and watch as many as I can. So I even had a few on during supper prep today. Nice lovely supper of baked ham and my world famous potatoes au gratin and braised cabbage, which braised cabbage is now my new favorite way to have cabbage. It's very tasty. And if you don't know what braised cabbage is, it's simply just cooking cabbage at a simmer in stock. So, you know, if you're the type that likes to, you know, you boil your cabbage and then you season it when you're done, I would recommend cooking it in stock instead. Give that a try. See how it works for you. It's very good. My favorite stock is Knorr Selects beef stock. That works really good. The cheek, yeah, so North Selects beef stock, really easy to use. It comes in a big container. Well, not a big container, but a container with the A big. It's powdered. It's 1 teaspoon per cup of water. So what you do is you get your water to a boil. Add your stock. Stir it up and then just throw your cabbage in, and then let the cabbage go for a little bit, let it come back to a boil, then bring it down to a simmer and just let it go until it's cooked. And consequently, add some fresh cracked pepper when it's done, and yeah, beautiful. Very nice. And yeah, then just the baked ham. It's pretty self-explanatory. Baked it for 2 hours at 350. Yielded a nice succulent ham. And then my potatoes au gratin, which basically what I do is I make a mornay. If you don't know what a mornay is just the fancy French term for cheese sauce. So to make a basic mornay, you just make your basic bechamel, which is, I use 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. You make your roux. I let the roux cook just a little bit, only for about a minute or so. I want a blonde roux for this sauce, so I want it to still be white. Then add in your 2 cups of milk, slowly, a little bit at first, and then a little bit more until you get all your milk incorporated and your sauce starts to thicken up. Some mustard powder, a little bit of salt, pepper, and then I used old cheddar. That's the cheese I like for my mornay for potatoes au gratin. And then all I do is put a little bit of sauce in the bottom of a casserole dish, a big round casserole dish. Put a good layer of thinly scalloped potatoes, so thinly sliced potatoes. And we'll get this last pass going here. My cat out there having a fit. Very nice. So yeah, thin layer of potatoes, then a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit more sauce, potatoes, a little bit more salt and pepper, sauce, last layer of potatoes on top, douse it with the sauce, kind of pat it down to make sure the sauce seeps down through all the layers, and then cover it and bake that for an hour and a half at 350 in the same oven with the ham, and then take it out when it's done, pop some cheese on top, turn the oven to broil, put it back in until the cheese on top gets crispy and bubbly, and then that's it. You're done. My hair, it's tough to get going. Sometimes with these hollow grounds. Shave's going great though. Nice slick soap. Great scent. It actually is still smelling pretty good. So I'm enjoying that. So that's it for the straight. I am going to cut this. I'm going to do my quick little touch up, and then we'll come back with the splash and the final thoughts. Back in a minute. All right, and I am back, and that was a very, very enjoyable shave indeed with the Stirling Gin and Tonic. Now, with the lime scent in there, there's really only one reasonable choice. Well, actually, I have a few reasonable choices, but why not make this on the rocks? So we will go with First Canadian Mojito Chill. Oh, yes. Lime and sugar and deep chilling effect. This will go together nicely. Oh yeah, that'll pair very nicely. This might take over a bit, but that's fine. It's one of my favorite lime scents in the den is the Mojito Chill, and there comes that chill right now with this eye starting to tear up almost instantaneously. Wicked. All right, well that was the shave for today, friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate you taking out some of the time in your day to check out my videos. The new subscribers, thank you very much for joining along this ride. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell so you'll find out when I upload my next video. So that's it for now. Until next time, my friends, be safe, be kind to one another. Most importantly, have a great day, and a better shave. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace. I love you.